We're so excited that Anna Griffin has some brand new kits, and this is a slider card making kit. Now, it includes everything to make 20 beautiful cards. Now, that's her guarantee, and I'll tell you, Anna Griffin never disappoints. Now, included in this folio, so you can see that you've got a storage box, there are this idea sheet. Now, it's going to show you the result of every single style of card. And on the back side, complete instructions, and I'll show you what that indicates. Just really nicely done. Now, the card bases are included. There are 20 of them. There's 2 each of each design I'm about to show you. Now, this is not only the front of the card and the movable part that stays there, but also the inside of the card, and it already has tape on it. So I'll show you all about that. So 2 of this, 2 of this, 2, 2, 2, 2. In fact, you're going to be hearing me saying that over and over as I show you all the components that are in this wonderful kit. Now, to match these, there are the inserts. There's a thing that gets pulled up, hence the slider. Again, 2 of each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them have words, and it has down here, adhere flat panel here. I'll show you what that means. So on your birthday, get well soon, very happy birthday, sending love and support, congratulations on your special day. And you can see that the colors, of course, coordinate. Of course they do. Now, are you ready for all of the extra pieces? Let me start here. There are 22 gold foil pieces. Now, there's 2 of each one I'm going to show you, and I really want to get the light to show you the foiling because they're beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And as I said, 2 of each one. So you're going to get 22 of those. Now, are you ready? There are 82 of these flowers, 2 of each one. Now, this is just a small sampling, and there's more. Look at that. And there's more. Now, you're going to get 2 of every single one. How pretty, yes. Very Anna Griffin look. Now, in addition, this slider is going to need something to slide out of. So that's what this is. You're going to get 2 of each. And on those butterflies, you get 4 of each one. So all of those, so you get these, and this is all going to make sense in a minute. And then you also get these little pennants. So all of those. Okay, just tons and tons of goodies. So let me slide these out. There we go. And I want to bring in, oh, wait a minute, I forgot to tell you. You also will get 20, see, I have Post-it notes on everything, 20 of these ribbons because you need it to slide. You're going to get 20 envelopes, and you're going to get 500 of the foam little squares. So all of that is going to help everything get completed. Now, the process is this. So you're going to take your card and you're going to, along this middle score line, I've already folded it, so this just lifts up, stays attached. You're going to make a mountain fold. So we're going to press it up just like that. And then this little one, you're going to make a valley fold. So valley makes a V, mountain makes a tent. So just like that. Now, the insert is going to go on the back of this, and that part where it said adhere flat panel here, well, you will simply pull off this adhesive, it's already there for you, and attach it to that flap, just like so. And this is going to nestle right into the card. Now, not sure if you can see it since everything is white, but there is a white double-sided adhesive strip here, one on the right next to the fold and one right at the bottom, right at the edges of that front panel. So what will happen is that you will pull that off, leave this little slider part intact, and close your card, just like so, and press it down. Now, what will happen, you're going to have to use your imagination a little bit. So again, pretend that this is attached, and when you pull Okay, so got it? So everything is attached. This is actually one piece. When you pull this up, I may need one more hand, it's going to slide like so, and it's going to reveal, thank you so much. And then inside you will see, as this slides up, you are so very kind. So that's the slider part. Now what about here? Well, that ribbon is going to, you're going to just fold it in half, slide it in here, and insert it. Just very, very simple. Now, I was wondering, okay, but what about all of this treasure trove of embellishments? How is that going to work? Well, here's how it works. When you have this piece, it's sliding up, and the idea is that it's sliding out of something. So maybe it's sliding out of a vase like this. Okay, so this is going to get glued just to this part. So a little bit of it is going to stick up. Well, that's just perfectly fine, because what we will have is some of the die cuts being shown. So maybe you want to have these popping up. I'm going to lay this flat. I'm going to need your imagination. So you're only going to attach them to this part, okay, because that's the part that's going to slide. So maybe you want some flowers to attach up. Maybe you want, oh, these beautiful, beautiful foil pieces. So then what happens is, as you pull this up, and this is showing, okay, you see how that's going to go? Just like so. Really pretty, really elegant. You've got a ton of stuff. Then, if you want to add a greeting, you can add that right here, and it's also going to go up. So the things can kind of poke out of this slider mechanism, because you're only going to attach the pieces to that front area, okay? And it's going to be all coordinated, all really unique, and everything is here. Now, why the foam tape? Well, you may elect that you want to have some things layered. So I would suggest that you glue down or foam tape these pieces before you do your vase. And that way, everything will work really well. And again, you can have your little greeting if you want to. Now, the butterflies, well, the butterflies can go over on that backing piece if you like, but again, keep everything glued to this panel that's going to slide, and then this is going to pop up just as you pull it. And I think what's nice is that for the recipient, when they see this with the ribbon on it, they're going to naturally want to pull that up and reveal your message. So beautifully done. Of course it's beautifully done. And then right here, going back to the idea sheet, you can see some ideas and some of their suggestions of what to put together. Now that's really very handy to have, because it will just kind of spur your creativity, and you can decide, oh, maybe I want to change it, but it's nice to have kind of a reference to begin with. So Anna Griffin is doing a slider card making kit, how to make 20 beautiful 3D cards. Thank you, Anna.